Okay, so I am doing number 20 and 6.2, and I am using the shell method to revolve the area bounded by the curves y equals x, y equals 2x, and y equals 2 around the x-axis. So looking at the picture of this, you can see it's this little triangle in here, and I'm revolving it around the x-axis. So this is mean I'm going to be working in y's. So first thing I need to do is, since I'm working in y's, I need to solve these for x. Now the first one's already solved for x. It was nice and done for us. Doesn't really matter. X equals y, so y equals x. But I do have to do a little bit of work on the second one, and I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get that equation. Now, when I come back and I look at my picture, my shell radius is going to be y, but my height is going to be the different one here. So I'm going to have from 0 to 2, because those are my y values. Again, coming back here to look at my graph. 0 is the bottom. You can see up here, that's my line 2. That's where I stop. 2 pi. And then I always just throw in a y. Remember, just an extra y unless something weird's happening. And then I need to subtract these two. So y minus y half dy. Now, how did I know which one to do? Well, I'm always starting with the one that is farther from my axis of revolution. So this top one, y, is farther from my axis of revolution, which is x. So that's the one that's going to go first. Okay, then I'm going to bring the 2 pi out. Leave this here for a minute. This is actually just, let's see here, 2 over 2, right? So this is 1/2 y dy, or 2 pi, 0 to 2, and this is going to be 1/2 y squared dy. So then my next step here, I'm doing the actual integration, it's going to be 1/3, so 1/6 y to the third, 0 to 2. So that's going to give me, let's see here, that's an 8, right? And this is a 1/3, so 8/3 pi minus 0, or 8 pi 3, or 8/3 pi, whichever way you want to write it. That's my final answer of my volume. So really it's just following the formula, setting it up. Sometimes the height and the radius can be a little tricky. Remember, one's always just x or y, unless we're revolving it around something besides the x and y axis. And the other one, you're just subtracting the 2, and the first one is going to be whichever one's farther from the axis of revolution. That's how you decide the order that you want to work in.